guys, welcome and/or welcome back to the channel. jdevinci here with a quick Skims unboxing. My Skims Faux Leather just arrived. As you guys can see, this box is not hefty. The outdoor collection that just dropped with the new sweatpants and sweatshorts, I literally got 12 items. Your girl cashed out. Outdoor collection is one of my favorite collections. However, I got the Skims Faux Leather and that's what we're going to be talking about today. I only got 2 items because leather is not really my cup of tea, but I still try to give you guys the reviews that you love to see. Do be sure to shop my links below. They continue to help me make Skims videos. Y'all know Skims is a little hefty coin and your girl still hasn't gotten sponsored yet, but we're doing Skims Faux Leather. Normally it has the cute little Skims logo girl on it, but they did not put that bad boy on there. It's definitely giving leather. So I got this suit pants. I don't know if I'm going colorblind or what it is, but right now this kind of looks brown. These are the pants. This is the color soot, and in person the texture is feeling like it's feeling good. The bottom is like kind of like a raw cut. I don't know how I feel about the front crotch area, but we're gonna have to try it on. I opted for a size large in the bottom. Typically with like cheaper quality faux leather, the more it stretches, the cheaper it looks, but kind of first impressions, the leather feels really good. It literally doesn't feel like cheap. If it looks cute when I try it on, I might have to get the brown one. This tube top bra, I didn't go for the bralette because I felt like I can get more use out of the tube top bra, and then it also came with straps. So I'm gonna show you guys it both ways. This is literally what I got, top and bottoms, because I can assure you that if these are cute, I will dress it up with like a graphic tee, kind of make it like streetwear-esque. But if these two are cute together, I can definitely wear it night out with my husband. I won't know until I try it on, and I think I'm happy I got a large because there is no zipper. Like, you got to put this bad boy on. So let's just put this bad boy on. Wait a minute. Leather normally isn't my cup of tea, my forte, but this got your girl feeling luxurious. I'm happy I sized up. In Skims, I normally wear like a size medium in bottoms. I like mediums in the tops. The large, granted it's stretchy, it's cute. I look a little busted, but I feel like $1 million. I love the fact that I can wear them together, or I can either wear these with different bottom jeans. I can wear the bottoms with another top. I like the versatility that this set has to offer, and I'm digging the length of the pant. I'm digging the fact that they're boot cut. When I first saw the collection drop, I was just like, I'll pass on this, you know. And then some people started asking me what was I gonna get, if I was getting excited for the faux leather, and I really wasn't getting excited for the faux leather. This tube top and these bottoms, like the color soot, it's not really 110% giving like jet black. So I appreciate the color. I appreciate this. Low key, I could 110% get these pants in another color. I can see myself actually styling these and actually wearing them. They're super comfortable. I think it's said to hand wash them. Definitely don't wash them, but I want to see how they're gonna wear in time. I know that these are limited edition collections, so for me, I kind of just like to get them like the outdoor collection. So I'm super excited for that to come. Like I said, I dropped pretty penny for that stuff, but this faux leather is cute. So you guys, I decided to just briefly put up the straps for you guys in case you guys wanted to see what that looked like. They are adjustable. I kind of have them at the tightest that it can go. Cute. The black is cute. I really do like the top. So I feel like if you can get anything, low key, this top is worth your while, because not only is it a tube top, you can also make it like a camisole top. And then the pants, low key, because you could dress them up or you can like wear them streetwear-esque, and they're super cute. I'm just so appalled that I actually like this. I don't own anything that looks like this, and I genuinely am here for it. And I like the size of the pants that I got. I feel like if you're normally a size small, I think that you would like a medium. I personally don't think that I would like these pants super tight. They're still fitted and they're fitting me well. I think that if I would have gotten a size medium, I might not have been in love with this collection that I am now, because I can wear the pants super high waist over my fupa, and I just wonder in time, the stretchiness, if it's going to give cheap after a while. That's what I hope doesn't happen. I like the items that I got. I know she had bodysuits and stuff, but those bodysuits weren't calling my name. The little bralette, the bralette might have been cute, but I was just like, if I'm gonna go with the bra or the tube top shirt, I think I'd rather go with the tube top shirt because this shirt comes with straps and I feel like I'm getting more bang for my buck. Low key is cute. I think that you guys might really enjoy it if you get the correct size. But I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. I know today was a very quick video, but like I said it to begin with, I was not really sold by the models, but when I finally got it, I'm glad I got my hands on a black because Black is my color. It's super cute. I can definitely see myself wearing this. Yeah, guys, the next Skims haul you guys see from me is going to be huge. And I hope that I love everything. So yeah, guys, bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try to try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like jdevincicollabs.